I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
I drank water yesterday.
I drank water yesterday.
I will drink water tomorrow.
I will drink water tomorrow.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
I wrote a letter yesterday.
I wrote a letter yesterday.
I will write a letter tomorrow.
I will write a letter tomorrow.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I ate an apple this morning.
I ate an apple this morning.
I will eat an apple later.
I will eat an apple later.
I take a walk.
I take a walk.
I took a walk yesterday.
I took a walk yesterday.
I will take a walk this evening.
I will take a walk this evening.
I bake a cake.
I bake a cake.
I baked a cake yesterday.
I baked a cake yesterday.
I will bake a cake for you.
I will bake a cake for you.
I study math.
I study math.
I studied math last night.
I studied math last night.
I will study math tomorrow.
I will study math tomorrow.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I will clean my room.
I will clean my room.
I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
I rode a bike yesterday.
I rode a bike yesterday.
I will ride a bike tomorrow.
I will ride a bike tomorrow.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I listened to music yesterday.
I listened to music yesterday.
I will listen to music this evening.
I will listen to music this evening.
I cook dinner.
I cooked dinner.
I cooked dinner last night.
I cooked dinner last night.
I will cook dinner tomorrow night.
I will cook dinner tomorrow night.
I eat pizza.
I eat pizza.
I ate pizza yesterday.
I ate pizza yesterday.
I will eat pizza there.
I will eat pizza there.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I drank coffee yesterday.
I drank coffee yesterday.
I will drink coffee in the morning.
I will drink coffee in the morning.
I shop for groceries.
I shop for groceries.
I shopped for groceries yesterday.
I shopped for groceries yesterday.
I will shop for groceries tomorrow.
I will shop for groceries tomorrow.
I paint a picture.
I paint a picture.
I painted a picture last month.
I painted a picture last month.
I will paint a picture next month.
I will paint a picture next month.
I knit a scarf.
I knit a scarf.
I knitted a scarf last winter.
I knitted a scarf last winter.
I will knit a scarf this winter.
I will knit a scarf this winter.
I teach English.
I teach English.
I taught English last semester.
I taught English last semester.
I will teach English tomorrow.
I will teach English tomorrow.
I travel to new places.
I travel to new places.
I traveled to new places last year.
I traveled to new places last year.
I will travel next summer.
I will travel next summer.
I call my parents.
I call my parents.
I called my parents last night.
I called my parents last night.
I will call my parents tomorrow.
I will call my parents tomorrow.
I make pasta.
I make pasta.
I made pasta.
I made pasta.
I will make pasta.
I will make pasta.